Hi, I'm Bob Ramsey. The Kohler Effect is a phenomena where people are more motivated intrinsically because a couple things are in place. And one is having strong social relationships, strong social bonds, and then having important things to do. What I do in my work is I help leaders in business use and activate the Kohler Effect to help motivate their people. But the Kohler Effect has deeper these relationships have deeper meaning than just motivational. In 2010, there was a meta-analysis of 148 previous scientific researches that studied the relationship between strong social bonds and health. And they drew from these 148 studies that encompassed over 300,000 participants some really interesting conclusions. One was that there's a strong connection between social relationships and health. And the second one was there was a big connection between strong social relationships and mortality. Meaning, the better your social relationships, the more social bonds, stronger bonds you have, you'll live longer. In fact, you'll live 50% longer, so the study said. And that was important and applicable no matter what the age, sex, race, disease condition, even cause of death. You still live longer if you have strong social bonds. But the big shock really came from comparing strong social bonds to some of the other known health issues, like smoking, for instance. We all think of smoking as bad for our health. You quit smoking, you'll live longer. But the research said that quitting smoking and having strong social bonds gives you the same amount of longevity. You're liable to live just as long with strong social bonds as you would by quitting smoking. That's kind of a surprise. And then another one was physical exercise. Physical exercise is very good for us, but having a strong social bond, strong social relationships gives you twice as much longevity as physical exercise. That's how powerful these social bonds are. So I want to encourage you during this time of pandemic, during this time where it's kind of hard to stay connected with people, to keep cultivating social bonds because you'll live longer. And one more challenge. Let's reach out to some other people too who don't have many social bonds. There's people around us who are a lot lonelier than we are, and let's help them live longer too. I'm Bob Ramsey.